If you're having trouble connecting to the multiplayer feature in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer connectivity. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc., and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online games. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block game connections. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Cyberpunk 2077 is allowed through. You may need to add it to the exceptions list in your antivirus software. If you follow these steps and still experience issues, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.